Hello guys, good afternoon guys. Mag-eat tagkuan guys, dinner naman ni guys. Look, my rice. And this is the fish guys. The fish yesterday from fishing. Oh my god, it's so yummy. This is the fish we catch yesterday for fishing. My soy sauce sausawan, my orange juice. And I have leftover salmon here. Tatapusin ko kasi sayang naman. So let's eat guys, look. Thank you nga pala sa friend ko na si Agnes. Sinama ako sa fishing, so yun. Ito yung nakuha namin, ang sarap. Ang sarap guys. It's really good fish. I love it. Sarap pala nito. God. Wow. And guys, this is fresh. You know? Kuha namin to kahapon. Kaso, ngayon ko lang niluto kasi kahapon late na akong nakauwi galing sa dina. I think I need more rice. Sarap. Sarap guys. Binabad ko siya sa tubig 30 minutes with salt. Tapos after, nilagyan ko ng lemon, black pepper, and salt. Bago ko pinito. Sarap guys. Wow. Yung anak ko kakain dito. Ito yung mga gusto niyang luto. Wow. Sarap. My God guys, hindi ko na nakain yung salmon guys. Kainin natin, sayang. Guys, nag-try yung anak ko guys, nagustuhan niya guys. Kaya yun, kakain siya. Kakainin siya, nag-init muna siya ng rice. And you know, Jan, you can go swimming too while we are in the middle of water. Because they have a life jacket. Kakain yung anak ko guys. Gustuhan niya.
Is there like a soy sauce?
But this soy sauce, they have a lemon. You like that?
Yeah. Use your...
Guys, naubos na yung rice ko. Oh. I want more rice, but I save this later. I have 2 left. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye.